Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to trade options on Robinhood. If you're new to investing or curious about options, this guide will get you started quickly and safely. First off, options are contracts that give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a specific price before a certain date. They're a way to potentially profit from stock movements without owning the actual shares, but remember, they come with risks we'll cover later. Robinhood is a popular app because it's user-friendly and commission-free, making it ideal for beginners. Before we jump in, ensure you have a Robinhood account set up. If not, download the app, sign up, and fund your account with some cash. Now, trading options isn't available right away, you'll need to get approved. Go to your account settings, find the Options Trading section, and apply. Robinhood will review your experience and portfolio, so be honest about your investing knowledge. Once approved, let's walk through the steps. Open the Robinhood app and log in. Search for the stock you're interested in, like Apple or Tesla. Tap on it, and you'll see an Options tab. Click that. Here, you'll find calls and puts. A call option lets you buy the stock at a set price, while a put lets you sell it. Decide based on whether you think the stock will go up or down. To place a trade, select the option contract you want, check the strike price, expiration date, and premium cost. Hit Trade, choose Buy or Sell, enter the quantity, and review the details. Double-check everything because options can expire worthless. Before confirming, set a stop loss if possible to limit losses. A quick word on risks. Options trading can lead to big losses, especially if you're leveraged. It's not gambling. Always do your research, understand the market, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you're unsure, consult a financial advisor. There you have it, a straightforward guide to trading options on Robinhood. Practice with paper trading if available, and keep learning. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.